Going to Costco! May Costco pizza. Ang isa ay lemon. Hi guys! So, papunta kami ngayon sa Costco! Yung driver po namin ngayon ay si Bernadette. Yan. We are going to Costco!
Shout out kay
Snow pa din, malamig pa rin dito. May snow pa din. Pero feeling ko naman mag-i-start ng spring. Late nang lumulubog at maagang sumisikat ang araw. Bahay dito sa Massachusetts, yung style niya parang luma. Pero sa totoo lang, bago yung mga yan. Frozen Lake. So we're in Costco. Very wide.
Dati dito yung yung
Cake.
bibigyan.
Diamante. Ayun.
Bibili natin. Ay, makakita sa dami natin.
Crazy.
Wala tayong
Ikaw mo magkano lang?
15.
15.
Kamahal.
Huh?
Saan? Sa coffee shop?
Coffee shop na namin, ganyan, no?
Ganyan.
Supportive thing na lang. Pwede. Pwede yan.
Lemon. Mark. Oh, pwede to. Maganda to. Chicken, oo.
Kasi para hindi mo na iluluto.
$19 ang 35 cans. Tamis kaya itong cherry na to?
Ano? Ba't ganun parang lamog na ewan?
Water. Ito? Ito? Orange juice, $5. Ito, dragon fruit to. Ito, cranberry. Oh, cranberry. Ay, nabigas. Granulated sugar. Yan, $7. 10 pounds. 10 pounds na. Dawn. 11. Mas mura to. Parkland. Tide daw din yan eh, sabi eh.
Place your item in the tray area.
May Costco pizza. Ang isa ay $1.99 each. Ito yung binila namin steak kanina. I-start na namin iluto. Ayun yung kalan namin sa labas. Cooking the steak. Yum! Mausok mo. Ang lamig sa labas eh. Ano? Yummy!
Medium
Medium
rare.
rare. Very good, very nice. So, ang dinner namin, salad, corn, at steak. Yan po yung dinner namin. Hindi naman, medyo sakto lang. Hindi naman, hindi naman sosyal.
Gawat kasi.
Gawat kasi.
Our
Wala
usual
pa.
dinner.
Usual dinner. Wala pa kasing sweldo. Ito lang muna na kayanan.
Ang sosyal na bata. Pag steak ang
Steak ang ulam. Magana pag steak ang ulam. Sarap naman yung may cook ka pa. Wala ko na pa. Anong ginawa mo sa sink? Ha? Anong ginawa mo sa sink?
Wash ng hair.
Nag-wash ng hair. Ah, bilisan mo, magpalit ka ng, ng damit mo. Dali.
Gusto ko nga mag-hair wash.
Hapon na, tsaka ka mag-hair wash. Tingnan mo yung tsura mo, mukha kang tukmol. Bakit ka nagpapajama? May pajama ka pa sa loob. Nagdala mo yung pajama mo muna. Ay, naapo. Tapos ang sabi ko, magdamit ka. Hindi ko sinabing magpanjama ka. Sige na, magpanjama ka na. Kapayat mo, mukha kang praying mantis. Ulit.
Hello everyone. Today we're making chocolate chip cookie. Our ingredients are baking soda,
Baking soda.
baking soda, chocolate chips,
Chocolate chips.
chocolate chips, butter, 2 eggs, whatever this is,
That's sugar.
sugar.
White sugar.
See how
That's brown sugar.
brown sugar. It kind of looks like sand, so I'm just gonna call it sand.
Vanilla extract.
Vanilla extra. Vanilla extra! And my favorite powder, salt. And flour. And show this in the... Americans. Stop it. Fast! Faster! First we need to melt the butter.
Okay, a little bit. A little bit.
Ooh, this thing is sticky. Boom. So my mom will have to melt the butter in the stove. I can't see it.
You are melting the... Tell them.
Butter thingy.
How long should we melt it?
It's kind of cute to see the butter. The butter is kind of cute. Smells like a rotten fish in a shark tummy. Wait, is it turning brown? Poor butter.
Bakit naman pour butter?
So yeah, I don't know. Melted it. I think it's turning brown. Now it sounds like it's rain sounding. Smells good.
Stop again.
Oh, we need a bowl.
Ball. Do like this. Do like this.
I can do it.
Alright.
Woo! Woo! Now we mix it.
Mix it. What's that? You tell them.
The white sugar. Wait, it looks like sand. Does it sand with snow?
You put the flour.
Flour.
Mix the flour. Come
Are
on.
you talking about the flour?
Flour.
Flour. Now I'm gonna mix it.
Yep. A tablespoon of vanilla extract. A teaspoon baking soda. A teaspoon of salt. Let's just eyeball it. A teaspoon of salt.
It looks like we're making banana bread.
Smells like banana bread.
No, it looks like it's making banana bread.
Don't put it in. Okay, good job.
To wash my hands. Do not mix, okay?
How about you mix it with your hands? We need to put it.
I think I need gloves. Can you let me put this on? Now we're
Okay.
gonna use the gloves to mix it with our hands.
Okay. So we're going to pour the butter.
Now what?
Is it hot? No?
No,
Okay.
just warm. Ooh, so
Wait.
squeezy.
Okay, you gotta mix it properly, okay? Okay, mix mo.
I think this is. Ooh. Woo! Oh,
Once you're done,
this is like Play-Doh.
how was it? Do you enjoy?
Yup. I can do this all day. My hands covered in oil.
So mommy will do na this one, ha? So, ayan, napagod na si Zane. Ako na magkukontinue ng kanyang ginagawa. So, we're just gonna make bilog. Bibilugin natin siya. Just like this. Are you gonna join me? Oh, you do like this, oh garad, bilog. Like this. Ha?
Play-Doh.
That's not a Play-Doh. So we're doing as big as this.
Here. Perfect.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be so perfect.
I want perfect. Anyways, it's gonna be perfect.
We need to put it in the fridge. Okay, so once it's done, we have to cover it with a plastic wrap and then put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. So there we go. And then get it. Careful lang. We line our baking pan with wax paper. Is here, okay? That one. Yeah.
Kasi sabi mo ito.
Okay. Zane now is trying the cookie that he baked. Kaya mo na daw siya ng marshmallow. Oh. Okay. Okay, mo na yung cookies. Let's try. Look at the cookies. Mmm!
Let's try.
Good. Ang galing mo naman mag-bake. So, sabihin mo, thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.
Bye.